all in all, just got a bit of a little weather update. Being British, I love a weather update. Thought I'd share it with you. Just come into the barn to check on everything. We've had a power cut overnight after a little storm here. Doesn't take much to be a storm in this country, but got the generator going outside to give me power for the Rayburn pump and things. So I thought I'd come and check the barn and give you an update, really. So yeah, in the barn, had a bit of weather. Let me bear with me and I'll show you. So in the barn, I don't know if you can see that. A little bit of snow, not a lot, just a bit. On my nice little shot glass cabinet. What's that? 4 inches of snow or something? Don't really expect that inside barns, but I'm going to show you the best bit now. Upstairs here. I've just been up here really and showing you, but I'll show you again, this time with the microphone turned on. So, I put my hand into there. It's that deep. And in my nice, dry, lovely, warm barn, we've got a bit of snow. All good fun. All part of the fun of living here on the hill. At least we get some proper seasons anyway. Anyway, thought I'd film you a little update. Oh, I've got a new camera. One of these little selfie things. Just for this video chat type stuff, but see how I get on with it. First time I filmed this, I forgot to turn the microphone on, so hopefully this will be better. So anyway, just thought I'd film a little update for you and show you what's going on in Crow Crag on the hill here. Thanks for watching. See you in a bit.